You might be slowly killing your engine, without even realizing it. Studies show that 1 in 4 engine failures are caused by driver mistakes, and most of those, they're from simple but deadly oil change habits. In this video, we're breaking down 19 oil change mistakes that could destroy your engine from the inside out. Don't skip the last one. Almost all of us are guilty of it, and it could cost you $4,000 or more. Let's dive in and save your engine before it's too late. 1. Darkening of motor oil. Darkening of engine oil. The darkening of engine oil does not necessarily mean it needs to be changed. Oil oxidizes over time and traps contaminants, which causes it to darken. However, as long as the oil retains its protective properties, it does not need to be replaced. The darkening of the oil does not indicate a loss of performance. What's important is whether the oil still maintains its protective properties. You can perform a simple test to check this. Rub a little oil between your fingers. If you feel a gritty texture, it indicates that the oil is no longer performing its job adequately. If you don't feel this, the oil may still be effective despite its black color. Therefore, don't assume that oil must be changed just because it's dark. Thicker oil provides better protection. The idea that thicker oil provides better protection is incorrect. Modern engines are optimized for low-viscosity oils. Thicker oil flows more slowly, which can delay the oil reaching critical parts when you start the engine, especially in cold weather. This delay can leave the engine vulnerable to wear. Using oil that is not recommended by the manufacturer can reduce efficiency, increase fuel consumption, and cause permanent damage to the engine over time. While some older, worn engines might temporarily benefit from thicker oil, this does not apply to modern vehicles. The type of oil specified in your vehicle's manual is the best choice for your engine's health. In summary, thicker is not always better. The right oil is the most important factor for the long life of your engine. Synthetic oils cause leaks. It is commonly believed that synthetic oils cause leaks in older engines. In the 1970s, synthetic oils could damage seals and gaskets. However, this is no longer the case today. Modern synthetic oils are specially formulated to protect engine parts and extend their life. They perform better even under extreme temperatures and tough conditions. If you notice a leak after switching to synthetic oil, it is usually due to a previously worn seal. Synthetic oil only makes this problem visible. Believing this myth can deprive your vehicle of a product that offers better protection. Synthetic oils are a great choice for your engine's health and do not cause leaks. You cannot switch back from synthetic oil. It is possible to switch from synthetic oil to conventional oil. Your engine does not have a memory and does not care which oil is used. The important thing is to use the correct viscosity and type of oil recommended by the manufacturer. Synthetic and conventional oils can be mixed, but for best performance, it is generally better to stick with one type. Synthetic oil offers better performance under high temperatures and tough conditions.
Switching back to conventional oil may reduce these advantages but will not harm your engine. In short, this is not a one-way street. As long as you use quality oil, your engine will be happy. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations and make your choice. You don't need to change the filter. Changing the filter during an oil change is very important. A dirty filter can block the oil flow and prevent engine parts from being properly lubricated. The oil filter is responsible for trapping dirt, debris, and particles that can harm the engine. Over time, it becomes clogged and loses its function. If the filter is not changed, the new oil will quickly become contaminated. Worse, a clogged filter can block oil flow, leading to insufficient lubrication and increased wear. Most oil filters are designed for only one oil change. Therefore, skipping the filter is not a minor detail, it puts your engine at risk. Always replace the filter with every oil change. This small step makes a big difference in engine life and performance. All additives are the same. Additives are specially formulated for specific engine needs. Using the wrong additive can disrupt the balance of the motor oil and reduce its performance. Additives are developed to enhance oil performance, reduce wear, prevent sludge formation, and keep the oil stable under tough conditions. Some protect the seals of high-mileage engines, while others provide protection against oxidation. However, no additive directly changes the physical power or fuel efficiency of the engine. additives support the engine's lubrication, cooling, and cleaning functions. If your engine performance is low, the problem is likely mechanical, and an additive will not fix it. In conclusion, additives support engine health but do not increase power. Don't waste your money, focus on regular maintenance, the right oil, and good driving habits. Additives increase engine power. The belief that additives increase engine power or directly improve fuel efficiency is incorrect. Additives are developed to enhance oil performance, reduce wear, prevent sludge formation, and keep the oil stable under tough conditions. Some protect the seals of high-mileage engines, while others provide protection against oxidation. However, no additive directly changes the physical power or fuel efficiency of the engine. Additives support the engine's lubrication, cooling, and cleaning functions. If your engine performance is low, the problem is likely mechanical, and an additive will not fix it. In conclusion, additives support engine health but do not increase power. Don't waste your money, focus on regular maintenance, the right oil, and good driving habits. Engine oil does not have an expiration date. Engine oils also have a shelf life. Using oil past its expiration date can harm your engine. Whether synthetic or conventional, engine oils contain additives. These additives provide protection to the engine, prevent sludge formation, and enhance performance under tough conditions. However, even if unopened, exposure to air, light, and temperature changes over time can degrade its chemical structure. Old oil loses its effectiveness, provides poor lubrication, and can lead to sludge and even damage inside the engine. Most manufacturers recommend using the oil within 5 years of its production date. Checking the label or following the manufacturer's recommendations is the best approach. So, engine oil does not spoil like milk, but it does not last forever. Fresh and properly stored oil is essential for your engine's healthy operation. Don't believe this myth: synthetic oil is only for high-performance vehicles. Synthetic oil is beneficial not only for high-performance vehicles but for all types of vehicles. It withstands extreme temperatures, prevents sludge formation, and provides better engine protection. Whether you have an SUV, a pickup truck, a daily car, or an older model, synthetic oil extends the engine's life, especially under tough driving conditions. Many modern vehicles are designed to use this oil because it reduces wear and improves fuel economy. Yes, it may be a bit more expensive, but its longer life and better engine protection more than make up for the difference. Synthetic oil is a great choice for the engine health of any vehicle. High-mileage vehicles do not need special oil. Oils specially formulated for high-mileage vehicles are very important for engine health. These oils protect worn seals, reduce leaks, and support efficient engine operation. The additives they contain clean sludge, prevent wear, and provide extra protection for aging engine parts. If your vehicle has over 120,000 kilometers, switching to high-mileage oil can extend your engine's life. Continuing with regular oil can lead to expensive problems in the future. Therefore, don't fall for this myth and don't ignore your engine's needs. High-mileage oils are a great investment to ensure your engine runs efficiently and lasts longer. Conclusion: this text aims to correct common misconceptions about engine oils. Being equipped with the right information can improve your vehicle's performance and extend its engine life. Therefore, it is important to learn more about engine oils and use the right products.